So that's the middle of the cardboard. Slightly wonky. Shit, sorry.
It's alright.
I don't know, it's just me with power tools. Highly recommend not doing this in rain.
No.
Because we're waiting for the paint to dry and it's now started to rain.
It's drizzling.
It's drizzling. So I don't really know what to do from here. Checked the forecast earlier, it didn't say it was going to rain and now it's starting to spit. We're making a wooden frame today for the MaxxAir fan and I have no idea what I'm doing. Right, let's use a ruler instead. Right. That's straight. No. It'll do.
The same uses. The corking gun is designed to hold a tube or cartridge of silicone.
I've just had to Google how to use one of those glue gun things because I have no idea. I had to change the drill bit because it was ripping the wood to shreds. But we have one bit of wood stuck on, so I'm hoping I can get a decent frame today. So the plan is now to drive to my mate's house, who's already put one of these fans up, and he's going to help me do this one. But I've not been in this van to drive it for probably about a month now, so I'm hoping it starts. Yes! Let's go! Can we just appreciate how bad but also good this is? Really shoddy glue work and really bad cutting work, but it fits perfect. And once these are all sanded down, they'll be fine. Let's say hi.
Hello.
So this is Cam. This is who's helping me with my van today. He's got a nice Citroen relay already kitted out. And this is what we're installing today. Got a MaxxAir fan, I think it's deluxe, I can't remember. Well, cut out the frame already, made a little wooden framework as well. Got some butyl tape, got some sealant in there, drill, and another drill.
A rusty bit.
Another rusty bit. So that's the middle of the cardboard. Slightly wonky. Should we do it slightly to the left so it's like bang middle?
Oh,
Cheers.
Camera. My name is Cameron.
Yeah. First time on the roof. Quite a bit of rust. Nothing too bad though. Bit there, that needs polishing. And there's a hole underneath Cam's foot somewhere. Right, oh my god. Right there. Big hole. That goes straight through to the cabin. So there is Cam's fan, and his solar panel, and this is going to be my fan. So the plan is to basically now drill a few holes in the corners to get the saw in, and then just go
smaller, only
Mark. In fact, I don't know, it might be too close. Yeah, I'd kind of just do this.
back it up. Got there.
Right, same here.
It's not.
And I'd go back into this corner and watch that one.
Who's trusting me to do this? Okay. I don't know, it's just me with power tools. We put a hole in the van. Well, there shouldn't be a hole in the van. Oh my god. This is disastrous. No longer trusted with power tools. Oh no. Can you get it? Has it gone, what, has it gone into the back? So we have a hole in the van. So the plastic bit fits in. It's actually starting to rain. A little bit. So the plastic bit fits in, but that hole has caused multiple issues, so we're going to try and seal that up and get this fan on.
Let's go. File.
So, highly recommend not doing this in rain, because we're waiting for the paint to dry and it's now started to rain. It's drizzling, so I don't really know what to do from here. Yeah, really not a great idea this. Checked the forecast earlier, it didn't say it was going to rain and now it's starting to spit. So I've layered the butyl tape. It's a right job this cam. Look at this.
Maybe not.
Yeah, you good? No, you good?
So it started raining, so we had to put the camera away. We just sort of like rushed it on that. Lots of filler and lots of butyl tape.
Same thing that Alice did.
But I think we're there, kind of. So we are just cleaning all like the surface rust that happened the other day from soaring. And just filling some holes, painting some rust.